Let's prevent a solution given this nice algebra problem, which is 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 20. What is the value of x? Now, solution here, we have 2 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 20. So the first thing to do here, let's take x on the right hand side. We will have 2 to the power x. This is equal to 20 subtract x, which we can also write as 20 subtract x. This is equal to 2 to the power x. So let's divide both signs by 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x. So now if you simplify here, we'll have 20 subtract x divided by 2 to the power x. This is equal to 1. Now, if you have 1 divided by a, this can be expressed as a raised to the power negative 1. So applying this property, we'll have 20 subtract x multiplied by 2 to the power negative x. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Now, we find that the power here, negative x, it's the same as negative x with the coefficient. So to make the coefficient equal to the power here, we multiply both signs by 2 to the power 20. So we have 20 subtract x multiplied by 2 to the power negative x. Okay, this is equal to 1. So we have 20 minus x multiplied by 2 to the power negative x. This is equal to 1. Now, you can see negative x is the same here as the coefficient negative x. So to make the coefficient equal to the power, we multiply both signs by, let's multiply both signs by 2 to the power 20 multiplied by 2 to the power negative x. This is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 20. We multiply on both sides. So now, 2 to the power 20 multiplied by 2 to the power negative x. This is in the form of a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m, which is a to the power n plus m. So let's apply this exponent property. So applying this exponent property, we'll have 20 subtract x multiplied by 2 to the power 20 subtract x. This is equal to 2 to the power 20. Now the next step here, we can apply the exponent property that e to the power of natural log of a, this is essentially equal to a. So this means that we can express 2 as e to the power of natural log of 2, which is equal to 2. Now substituting 2 with e to the power of natural log of 2, we'll have 20 subtract x multiplied by e to the power of 20 subtract x multiplied by natural log of 2. So this is equal to 2 to the power 20. Now let's proceed from here. So the next step here, let's multiply both signs by natural log of 2. So we'll have 20 subtract x multiplied by the natural log of 2 multiplied by e to the power of 20 minus x multiplied by the natural log of 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by the natural log of 2. Okay, now this follows that if you have e to the power, that is a multiplied by e to the power of a, this is the same thing as a. So if you have 2 multiplied by e to the power of 2, this is the same thing as 2. So now you can see that this part here, this is a, and also this is the same as a. So this part, 20 minus x natural log of 2, actually is the same. So applying the rampant w function, we'll have that the w function of a multiplied by e to the power of a, this is equal to a. So applying this property, we'll have the w function of 20 subtract x multiplied by natural log of 2 multiplied by e to the power of 20 minus x multiplied by natural log of 2. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 20 multiplied by natural log of 2. Now, we introduce the W function on both sides, all right? So that this side, you find that this is A, and also this side, this is A. So, applying the Lambert W function, that means that we'll have 20 subtract x multiplied by ln of 2. This is equal to the W function of 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by ln of 2. Now let's proceed here. So this, on the left hand side, we have 20 subtract x, okay, natural log of 2. And on the right hand side, we have the W function of 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by ln of 2. Now, we can express 20 basically as, we can express 2 to the power of 20, okay? We can express 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16. Now, let's substitute this. We have 20 subtract x on the left-hand side. This is equal to the W function of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by ln of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16. So, on the right-hand side, we have the W function of 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by ln of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16. So now 2 to the power of 4 here, this is equal to 16. We'll have the W function of 16 multiplied by ln of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16. Now, we can express 2 as e to the power of natural log of 2, okay? Let's express 2 as e to the power of natural log of 2. So that now, we'll have the W function of 16 multiplied by ln of 2 multiplied by e to the power of 16 multiplied by natural log of 2. So, applying this W function, you find that this particular part, this is A, is the same. So, 16 natural log of 2 here is the same as 16 natural log of 2 here. And therefore, now on the left hand side, we have 20 minus x multiplied by natural log of 2. Now, on the right hand side, we have the W function of 16 natural log of 2 multiplied by e to the power of 16 natural log of 2. Now, definitely here, on the right hand side, we'll have 16 natural log of 2. So now, left hand side, we have 20 subtract x natural log of 2. This is equal to 16 natural log of 2. Now let's simplify here natural log of 2 so that we'll have 20 subtract x. This is equal to 16. So we'll have negative x. This is equal to, let's take 20 on the right hand side. We'll have 16 subtract 20. So here we'll have negative x. This is equal to 16 minus 20. This is negative 4. Divide both signs by negative, so that now x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we end that 2 to the power of x plus x, this should give us a value of 20. 2 to the power of x plus x, this should give us a value of 20. Let's substitute the value of x. So this is 2 to the power of 4 plus 4, this should give us a value of 20. So 2 to the power of 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is equal to 16. So this is the same thing as 16 plus 4. This is equal to 20. And it's true that that is the left hand side. That is the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay? So, and that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to 4, actually satisfies the equation. X equal to 4 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.